What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Watch Wednesday Spotlight. I'm Brian.
And I'm Connor.
We're the Watch Guys. So today we are proud to bring to you a very, what we like to call a sneak peek here at WOW's. Not even hit the case yet. It might be a day or two before it's in the case, but we wanted you, our viewers, to see it first. Connor, tell us what we got.
So here, as we're unboxing, we've got the Seiko Diver SLA057. This is a reinterpretation of their 1968 dive models, and it is just a stunning piece. So you've got a beautiful black dial with gold accenting, comes on a typical rubber dive strap, as well as it comes with the additional braided nylon dive strap.
Yeah, it's super cool. This was actually, I'm gonna say almost inspired by J.A.R.E, which is Japanese Antarctic Research Expedition. It's not really going on anymore. However, a portion of the proceeds of this limited edition, only 600 were made. A portion of the proceed will actually be given to contemporary researchers that specialize in polar activities such as polar ice caps, things like that. It does have the AL35 movement, 50-hour power reserve, guys. You can sit there, wear it Monday through Friday, take it off. I don't know why you'd want to, because it's a cool piece. Pick it up Monday morning, and it's still gonna be right on time, just like you need it to be. Connor, tell us about the finish of this watch. I noticed something very different about it.
Yeah, so this is a really quintessential Seiko finish. It's known as the Zarutsu finish. It is almost mirror-like. You can see yourself in this stuff. Another note is this is Seiko's ever brilliant stainless steel, which is a higher level of corrosion resistance than your typical stainless steel. And as always with their limited editions, you've got the serial number on the case back here, and it's just an absolutely beautiful piece.
And you said it was Zarutsu?
Zarutsu, I believe.
Zarutsu, oh my God, try to say that 3 times fast. So anyway, guys, here at Watching on Wall Street, you know, this is what we specialize in, the limited editions, the hard to find pieces. This is a sneak peek. It hasn't even hit our case yet, but we wanted you guys to see it. So next time you're downtown Asheville, come see us, 72 Wall Street. Connor and I can't wait to see you. Have a great Wednesday, everybody.